Hey everybody, Hacker here, and today I'm gonna bring you guys my first scripting series, where I'll teach you how to script from being a noob to a pro. I'm gonna teach you guys how to script for one of two reasons. One, because when I explain to other people how to script, it'll get internalized in me, so I'll become better at scripting. And two, because I really want you to learn, and I want to show this to my friends so that I can get them also to learn Roblox Studio. So anyways, let's begin. Today I'm going to show you how to create your first script and how to use print statements. So if you don't see what I see on my window right now, don't be afraid. Don't worry. So in order to get the Explore tab and Output tab, which we need for this tutorial, all you need to do is go to the top of your screen, click the View tab, and click both the Explorer and the Output tab. Once it pops up, you're good to go. So what we first want to do is insert a script. We can either do that by inserting in workspace or inserting in server script service. I'm going to insert the script in server script service. To do this, you right click server script service, insert object, and add the script. And this is what the default script looks like. So it already has a default print hello world. So we don't need to worry about this for now. I mean, we are, but we're going to make our own custom print statement. So what printing does is it just basically puts a message in the output, which is basically console. It also allows us to debug and determine if a certain part of a script has run. So we're going to create our first print statement. So what you do is type in print, open ellipse, and close ellipse. And then inside of that you add quotation marks and add whatever text you want. So for instance, I'm going to put Superman is better than Batman, LOL. Don't cancel me, please. So when I press run, it gets put into the output. Superman is better than Batman, lol. This is cool, but although it prints something into output, it doesn't really do anything to the game itself. All it does is just outputs it. This printing statement is really only for debugging and determining whether a script has run. At least that's the only thing I see it being used for. So now I'm going to teach you how to print other things. You can print numbers or different kinds of things. So in order to print a number, it's the same thing. You do print and then whatever number you want, 14. So when you run this, it'll print the Superman is better than Batman, lol, and 14. Note how it prints. Since Superman is better than Batman, lol, in the script is higher than is on line 1, and the print 14 is on line 2, the Superman is better than Batman will print higher up than 14, as 14 is printing afterwards. The computer's so fast you can't tell, but Superman printed first. What I probably should also mention is that for numbers, you don't need quotation marks. And this allows us to do many things, such as adding these numbers. So let's say I did 14 plus 7, right? And that should print 21, right? So let's rerun the script. So when I press play again, it prints 21, as it should. 14 plus 7 is indeed 21. However, if we were to add back the quotations on it, so I'm just going to copy this and then paste it, but then just add quotations around it and then play it, you can see that it just prints 14 plus 7. So think about it this way. If it's in quotation marks, it will print it out verbatim. It will print out whatever's in it. But then if there's no quotation marks, it is subject to maths. You can do math on it. Yeah. You can also print decimals. So for instance, if you wanted to do 14.1, actually no, I should do area 51.1 in honor of area 51.1. And then if you were to print that, it prints 51.1. That's basically it for printing. There isn't much for printing that I need to teach you right now, and it will be covered more in later videos. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, be sure to comment them down below. I'll be sure to answer as many of them as possible, considering I have 0 subscribers, so it's not really I have to look at many comments to find yours if you do decide to comment. Also, if someone else adds a comment and adds a question to this, which I don't think they will, but I don't think there's any questions about printing yet, but feel free to answer them if you know the answer to them. Anyways, thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Also, please don't cancel me for slandering Batman. I don't want to be canceled on my first video.